AESH presents to your attention Electrotechnical cardboard 0.5mm, 1mm, 1.5mm, 2mm and 3mm. An electric cardboard known as a pressboard is one of the most popular insulation materials. The most widely used cardboard is in the field of creating insulation for electrical appliances and devices, from welding units to insulation of electric stands, as raw materials for patterns. Electrotechnical cardboard is often used with the related electrical materials, varnish GF95, transformer oil, electrical paper and other insulating products. The most popular is the EV brand. This cardboard is used to isolate parts of electrical equipment like cars, aircraft and tractors, or making insulating gaskets, welding masks, and even producing tailored patterns. AESH provides after-sales service including replacement of parts and components.